In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Trello board to CSV. Exporting your Trello board to a CSV file is really useful if you want to analyze your tasks in a spreadsheet, share structured data with your team, or back up your work in a more flexible format. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your web browser and go to your Trello workspace. From there, select the specific board you want to export. Make sure you're on the correct board, because the CSV file will only include the data from the board you currently have open, such as your lists, cards, and key details about them. Once your Trello board is open, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You should see an icon with 3 dots, often called the More or Options menu. This is usually near the board title and other board controls. Click on this 3 dots icon to open a drop-down menu. This menu gives you access to additional settings and tools related to your board. When the drop-down menu appears, look for the option labeled Print, Export, and Share. This is the section Trello uses for getting information off the board, whether that's printing it, sharing it, or exporting it. Go ahead and click on Print, Export, and Share. If you don't see it right away, you may need to scroll slightly within the menu, especially if you have a smaller screen, or if Trello has many options enabled. After you click that, Trello will show you a set of export and sharing options. Among these, you'll find an option called Export as CSV. This is the one we want. Click on Export as CSV and Trello will begin generating a CSV file that contains your board's data. Depending on your browser settings, the file may automatically download to your default Downloads folder, or you may be asked to choose where to save it. Give it a clear name so you can find it easily later, especially if you manage multiple boards. Once the download is complete, you can open the CSV file in any spreadsheet program like Excel, Google Sheets, or another tool of your choice. From there, you're ready to sort, filter, analyze, or share with your Trello data in whatever way works best for you.